Adhesive Basics from SEK-Surebond, hardscapes done right. Hi, I'm Jay Craig. Wanted to share with you today a couple of tips on applying adhesives to our hardscape products. I've got a set of steps here mocked up, and in most cases steps have moisture that runs from the back to the front of the wall. I want to put my adhesive down in a fashion that's going to allow the drainage of that material, so I'll apply adhesive in the direction of the flow of the water. I'll put my cap material on top, my treads, do a little wiggle. I can even do what's called a catch and release, put it back in place, make sure I'm in good alignment, tap it in place, and we're all set to go. On a retaining wall block, the tendency is to put adhesive out the length of the wall, which is fine, it's fast, but it may not be the proper way. I may block the drainage of water. So instead, let's do the same thing that we did on the cap material. I'm going to put it in the direction of my flow of water flowing through the wall in this fashion. Put my cap in place, proper alignment, give a little wiggle. Again, catch and release will help aid the curing of that product. Tap it into place and you're all set to go.